Here's 3 things you didn't know your Microsoft Teams could do that could enhance your tourism business. Microsoft Teams is one of those applications that usually businesses don't use to its full potential. Now, this is probably because they don't know all of the features it has, or they think it's not flexible enough to keep up with the fast pace of the tourism industry. The first feature you probably didn't know about is the walkie-talkie feature. Yes, you heard that correctly, the walkie-talkie feature. Now, this is already included in your Microsoft 365 license, and all you need to do is activate it from an admin level. This functions exactly the same as a regular walkie-talkie that uses the radio, but with a few key differences. So firstly, you don't need separate physical devices. The walkie-talkie feature works straight through your mobile app, or can even integrate with purpose-built devices like Zebras. So the walkie-talkie works anywhere with Wi-Fi or a cellular internet connection. This also means that because it's not on radio frequencies, the channels are completely secure. So you can control who is in each channel and have different channels for different departments, so there's no confusion or interruption. And if you really want them, there are purpose-built headsets that are wireless, just in case your staff need to be hands-free. The next feature you might not know of is Shifts. Now, Shifts does what it says on the tin. It allows you to create and manage rotas for your whole staff using the Teams app. Your staff would access the shifts via the Teams app, which is really easy to read. You can manage and edit shifts on the go, send notifications to all your staff of any changes, and you can even open up spare shifts to be claimed. Your staff can even clock in and out of shifts using the mobile app. You can also use shift connectors to integrate Teams shifts with some existing workforce management systems such as Blue Yonder, Reflexis Shifts, or UKG. To get really fancy, you can integrate Microsoft Power Automate with your shifts so that you can automate certain flows and help you manage large-scale businesses. So shifts could be a really useful function for tourism businesses, especially if you're still printing off rotas or staff are having some trouble accessing their rotas. So the last feature of Teams that you might not know of that could be helpful is tasks. So tasks work similarly to shifts, but instead you manage and assign tasks to all of your staff. So you can create groups. These are shared lists of tasks that are accessed by everybody or departments or for certain projects. This feature is great to keep projects on track or to ensure your frontline staff are getting their day-to-day activities done effectively. So there we go. That's 3 Microsoft Teams features that you probably didn't know about. They might not all be for you, but let me know down in the comments how you might use one of these features for your tourism business. Pop us a like if you found this video helpful and give us a follow for more useful content on everything IT. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.